Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and the year is winding down. I'm here with Landon with Prestige Custom Builders. Pretty soon we'll have our Christmas show where we talk, where you'll be all dressed up in an ugly sweater, and I know Dan Priest wears elf socks and stuff. We'll be talking about family traditions, which actually I'll peep out. This year is going to be a little different.
We are going to do something different this year.
But you know, with this time of year and actually through January, you're not down here as much, but your home's here, and actually the weather's probably worse on your home this time of year. Like this morning, we're starting to get those wet mornings.
Yep.
You know, we get the fronts coming in and 25-mile-an-hour sand blowing wind, and then we get the cold weather and stuff shrinks up and expands, and then we've got to worry about a freeze in January. You know,
we're going to get one. I mean,
let's talk about, we've done a show on it already, your home maintenance program, because it's a pretty intense
it is
program.
You know, when we did this, we piggybacked this off of something that goes all the way back 20 years ago when I started in construction. The company I started working in construction with then had this maintenance program that was given out to the homeowners for the first year of their home, and we did these quarterly checks, semi-annual and annual checks, and then I brought it down here. Alice and I have been working on this for almost 2 years now. Brought it down here and kind of tailored it to what goes on in a beach cabin. You know, building homes, we have a better idea of what's going on down here than you know, your realtor or your local handyman or anything like that. We know what goes into them. We know how they're built. We know you know, what material we should be using.
You know how they should be built.
Yeah, how they should be how they should be built. And you know, I mean, things can happen at any point in time.
Right.
I mean, like you just stated, we're down here right now, and we're this morning. I mean, the fog had to lift at about 8:30.
Right.
You know, you got all that heavy moisture sitting really low on the ground. Your house is the sun's not as hot or as close to us as what it normally is, so it doesn't burn that moisture off of your house as quickly. It's when you start seeing some of that mildew that will start to accumulate on the outside of the house, or maybe even on the inside of the house in some spots. It's one of those things of that is whenever you kind of want to have these kind of checkups and you know, start doing the preventive things instead of reactionary. I mean, so many times down here, you put your home, either you Airbnb it or you through a management company or something like that, and you know, it's heads and beds, right? I mean, it's turn and burn. And how much maintenance gets done during those times, I don't know. It depends on the maintenance. I mean, it depends on the rental company as well.
We've got about 2.5 months where, other than when they're swapping and cleaning, you really, and it's hard for realtors to show property that time of year, but this time of year is a time to go through and check your banisters, you know, and that's what this
program
covers.
starts. I mean, it's a year-long thing. We start on the outside of the house and move to the inside of the house. We go from the water meter all the way up to the roof. And this is not just a, hey, call us and we'll send somebody out there to take it. No, this is a program. We want to do it quarterly. We want to check on things to make sure your home is in good working conditions.
You can see how things progress too.
Absolutely.
Maybe you started seeing some caulk, maybe questionable. Well, then your next one, you know, because do you take pictures of stuff?
Yeah. So anything when we go through the list, we basically write down what the conditions are that we're seeing, you know, whether or not it's in good condition or, you know, it needs attention, and then what our recommendations are. In that recommendation, you're going to get a picture of what it is that we're actually talking about. So if you want to keep up with it and say, okay, well, it's not that bad, I don't want to do anything with it, well, here was our recommendation for the fix. You can either hire somebody else to go and do that fix, you can hire us to do that fix. Whatever that fix needs to be, we will be able to help you with that. This is not a program where I don't want to be a handyman. I don't want to come out there and fix, you know, just your balusters. Don't call me for that. This is a program, a preventive maintenance program. That we are trying to make sure that we maintain the condition of your home in good working order, not repair your home. That's a remodel. You want to remodel, call us about a remodel. This is a maintenance program and a year-long thing.
Right.
And it goes all the way from checking the condition of your handrails and steps to the condition of the plumbing underneath your sinks. The
air conditioning, hinges,
water heaters, different things
doors.
like that, all the way to our roof. So you and I talked about this during Burl last year, or a year and a half ago now. When it came through, is all of these people who had roof damage. What do your roofs look like? I mean, you're 15 foot up to the stringer. You're another 10 foot up to the roof line,
right?
And you're probably another 20,
another
15 foot up to the peak of the roof. Like, not many people are getting up there, including you and I, right? So you have the capability, and you and I have talked about this, of being able to take your drone up and taking photos of
high quality.
Yeah,
not iPhone.
No, high quality photos of what the roof condition is, and then you have that for if that next storm comes.
Right.
No, this was the condition of our home before the storm. Here it is after the storm. Now you're able to make those comparisons.
Well, and it gives you some leverage if insurance companies don't want to pay. Look, here's a picture. Here's the metadata. It was taken on this date. Nothing was curled up. Now I'm missing half of this row, one here, some ridge vent.
The other thing is, we have 450 homes on the market roughly. Some are in really good condition, some are in not so good condition, right? But if you have this whole home maintenance program, and we have a sticker that we are going to apply onto the inside of the cabinet in the kitchen that states when this inspection was done, who it's done by, those type of things. How much greater, what kind of value does that add to your resale?
It's sort of like having your oil change receipts on a vehicle.
Absolutely.
Every 3,000 or 5,000 miles. You've got proof it was taken care of.
And it's taken care of by people that know what's going on.
Right.
It's not just someone who's not familiar with the area or somebody who doesn't work in construction or anything like that. This is something that, like I said, that we've been working on for 2 years. Not something we just popped up in the middle of the night and threw together. Something we've really taken a lot of thought. And
I was going to say, I know months when you and I talked about it one time.
I think we first talked about it on here back in like July.
Yeah.
And so that was when we kind of announced that we were going to do it. And then we kind of wanted to get all of our ducks in a row before we rolled it completely out. Now it's rolled out. We're getting a lot of hits from realtors that think that this is a really good thing for their clients. Look, it's one of those deals of, just like with anything, it's going to cost you some money to be able to maintain something.
Right.
If you drive your car until the oil light comes on, and then you just keep driving, and the engine blows up, guess what? It's going to cost you a lot of money.
Right.
If you drive until the engine light comes, or the oil light comes on, you go change your oil, it costs you $60, $70.
Yeah.
So which one would you rather pay? Would you rather pay $60, $70 to make sure things are working properly, or would you rather pay $10,000 to find out that the water heater exploded, flood your house, and now you've got a $10,000 insurance claim, or something of that nature?
Are these built specifically for that home?
Yeah, so it's price ranged in a square foot price range, and you can call and find out about what those prices are and what all it entails.
So it's not just one plan fits all.
No,
you actually custom tailor it to the size of the home.
So each size has a different price. We're going to do the same inspection throughout, but if your home has, an elevator or, tankless water heaters or generators and different things like that, that's outside of the scope of what the initial inspection creates, because you need someone who knows how to work on generators or elevators or lifts. That's not something that we do. So therefore, we would farm that out to an outside company for it, for them to come and do it. And that's when it comes to that case by case basis when you get to that system. I've had a couple of people call about the elevators. It's one of those things of there's not a lot of elevator people down here, true elevators like internal elevators. So that's not something that, you know, I'm going to walk in your house and say,
there's a
oh, this is
difference.
what you need to do. No.
This is different. There's a difference between a cargo lift for cargo and a human elevator.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
if people want to get some more information on this, what's the best thing to do? Fill out the form on your website?
Yeah, you can fill out the form on the website. You can call Allison at 409-626-2980. She's handling all of the scheduling, the maintenance program side of things. So it's a little bit different number than what we normally give out. But it's one of those things, if you can always call me, I'll refer you to her.
Yeah.
But she's handling all that, and it's going to be more of a streamlined type deal. You know, it's it's like 40-something item checklist that we go through, and each quarter something else is done.
Right.
And so it's really good to have that documentation, being able to show that you know, you not only do
you care
about your home,
right,
regardless of whether or not you want to stay there or whether or not you're trying to sell it. You know, I would say one of the biggest things down here is, you know, people have this investment. They have this expensive, major investment, expensive investment, and they don't put their eyeballs on it. They don't put their
out of sight, out of mind.
And it's one of those deals of, yes, it's making money during the summer, but are those people leaving the doors open? Are they leaving the windows open? Or are they leaving the windows open unlocked? Are they you know, are they tearing stuff up while they're here? Or do you have a liability issue whenever you show back up and, you know, pickets are missing or deck boards are sticking up or different things like that that, you know what, like maybe you've got somebody going over there to do the maintenance on it. Maybe you have a maintenance guy. Mm-hmm. But like what is he or she responsible for? Like, you know, I mean, the cleaning person is not a maintenance person.
Right.
They need, you know, they're there to clean. They can look at things, but, you know, I mean, how many times do you walk in, you see soft floors in the houses and nobody's even thought about it?
Yeah.
Just different things like that. So this is what this thing is really going to roll out and do, and we're pushing it to people who want to make sure that their home stays in good shape. You know, I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to be a handyman.
Yeah.
And so what we're going to do is try to do preventive maintenance.
Great, great. Well, for more information on this, or if you're looking to build your dream home, your custom home, make sure you get hold of Prestige Custom Builders. And the best thing to do is fill out the form. I hate filling those forms out, but I can tell you what I've learned over the last couple years from different businesses. That's the best way to do it, because that way everything can be tracked. They have your information, you have their information. We're gonna head on out. We're coming into December, or we're in December. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.